Good weather yesterday, but today is like so rainy, and this is the time that we went out of the house. So Laura's out meeting some friends, and I'm also around here doing some errands. At the same time, I just passed by this side of town, and yeah, I just grabbed some cake and everything. So I'm here. You see Super Pinoy, and there's Papa Bear. You can't see it. So yeah, I'm here at Papa Bear's. It's a bake shop here, and they do good hopya. So I love hopya. So it reminds me of home. So I just got some, and I'm waiting for the ube hopya. They're still cooking it, so I'll be here for a while, just waiting it to be done. But in a few minutes, I'll head up there and get some. Yeah. It's a bit gloomy today. You can see the skies there. It's so gloomy. So after heading to what you call this to Papa Bear, so I met Bryce and I gave him his stuff. I ordered some things for him, like a grip for his camera. He's trying out Sony. He's from Canon, just like me, and he's trying out Sony. I'm warning him, don't go there because yeah, it's a rabbit hole. Anyway, yeah, he's trying out the Sonys, and then after that, I just went all the way home, and I got so tired, I got so sleepy, and got busy, and have little things that I do and everything else. But yeah, got a lot of food there also because we got some from Papa Bear, so I ate a bit of food. We have the custard cake, no, ube custard cake. So ube is like taro, and there's custard cake on top. It's really good. And then I got some taro pastillas, I reckon. And this one was Silvana also, so we have it there, and got frozen sisig, and there's a lot of food which are bad for my health. I got here, I got tired, and yeah, I'm here on the computer, and I was trying to finish up the vlog or do something else, but yeah, just like always, I ran out of ideas, so we're just gonna end the vlog here. So it's just gonna be the same old thing. I'll try my best again, day after day. I'm tired tomorrow. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'll be shooting for Will, so I doubt if I can vlog, but we'll see how we go. I'll try, but yeah, I'll be hands on deck tomorrow. I'll be assisting Will Chow. What did I say earlier? Got confused. Yeah, I will be assisting for Will Chow tomorrow, shooting a wedding, so it's gonna be a busy day. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog, but we'll see how we go. And other than that, yeah, have a good weekend, guys. Today's a Friday. It's a holiday here because it's a grand finals day. But yeah, to all you guys out there, have a good day. Take care. Ta-ta. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. I'm going to try out other colors for editing, like LUTs and color styles, like cinematic and everything. So if you find this vlog having weird colors, or the next few vlogs having weird colors, I apologize for that. I'm just trying out new colors for the vlog and new editing techniques and everything else. So if it's gonna be awful, yeah, it is awful because the thing is I'm trying out colors. But anyway, just want you to know, that way you just like, hey, what happens to this color? He doesn't have any accuracy, or like, it doesn't have any, I don't know the term, but yeah, I'm so sleepy. It's around 12, no, it's around 1 a.m. today. But anyway, if you find something, my color's quite different, kind of weird and kind of ewy, it's because I'm practicing. So yeah, practice makes perfect. So see you guys.